my name is Jia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making one recipe for kids and kids like this recipe. It is Rava Idli. So it's good for kids and it's healthy also. So now we are starting. Okay. So first I have empty bowl. Then upma mix. Then I'm pouring this upma mix. Oh, it's like a mountain. Then I'm adding baking soda. See. Okay. Then I'm adding this full cup of curd. Then I'm adding little water in this. Oh, small one. I was forgot. Little water or full? Okay. Adding little water. So now I'm mixing and mixing. I'm making Rava Idli. Then again water. Mix. I'm making, cooking. Now I'm adding full. Oh. It's upma dough, but we are making idli. So now I have put water inside and see how it's looking. And I have this spoon. So kids, you can put your favorite vegetables in this in your dough. So now I'm taking this much, then I'm pouring in this idli. I make small idli, tiny. Then see, it's hard looking. 3 children and 1 big mama. It is family. So. So now, then I'm closing. So now I have come near microwave and I'm standing on chair because I'm small. So now I'm opening. Oh. Okay, children, be carefully. Okay. The smell is coming like purple. So now I'm taking microwave mode. Then I'm taking 2 minutes. 1, 2. So now I'm start. Boom, 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 boom. I'm little bike. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so you don't have that microwave idli cooker. You can put this idli's dough in bowl. So any size you can take, big, small, medium. So I have taken small because I am small. Okay. Okay, finally. It's tasty. Then this last one. Okay. So this is going to again bake in microwave. Only 1 minute. So now I'm going to microwave. Now I have come near microwave and I have this my little cutie bowl. Here. Microwave food. Only one. So my all Rava Idli is ready. Just see. This is 4, this big 4, and this one small, but it's big, it's like small. And I have this fork to help remove this idlis, and this is my plate. Yum yum yum. I'm a mouse. So this is my serving plate. Then I'm changing this small bowl and getting this. Okay, so my all these are ready. Okay, now I'm tasting one idli. It's so yummy. So kids, you can try. You can take any chutneys, coconut chutney or mint chutney. So I've taken nothing. Then you can take anything. And after video, I'm taking mint chutney. So bye. Subscribe my channel. Click the like button. Bye.